Then we have participle as as adjective. Present and past types are discussed. Now how we can use participle as an adjective? Both present participle with ing form and past participle with ed form can be used as an adjective. What is adjective, students? Adjective is a part of speech which is used for giving quality to a noun or pronoun. What are the examples of participle as an adjective? Now, ing and ed form, how can they be used as an adjective? Look at the examples. She took cooking class in the morning. Which class she took? Cooking class. Cooking is the word which is having ing. In fact, it's a verb. It's a verb. And class is noun. It is describing this noun, so it would be called adjective. The baked cookies are delicious. Baked cookies. Bake is the first form. Ed is added with this. So which type of participle it is? It's a past participle. Cookies is noun. Baked is describing this noun. So it would be called participle or participle. Sorry, it would be called adjective. And definitely it's an ed form. So it's a participle as an adjective. Used as an adjective. There is a big swimming pool in the school. Pool is a noun. Swimming. Which type of pool there if in the school? Which type of pool is there in the school? There is a swimming pool in the school. Swimming is having ing and it is describing this pool which is noun. So definitely here ing form is used as an adjective. This is the present participle used as an adjective. She has worn a torn shirt. Dear students, torn is the third form of tear. Tear, फटा हुआ, पुराना फटा हुआ के लिए we use the term torn. Tear is the first form, tore is the second form, and torn is the third form. This is the participle form, past participle form, which is used as an adjective qualifying this noun shirt. Then we have participle as an adjective. Next example, her name was not in the waiting list. Wait is a verb. Wait with ing is used as a participle, present participle. List is a noun. So waiting list, waiting is describing this noun. Which type of list we are talking about? We are talking about the list which is waiting list. So waiting is an adjective, a participle adjective. Alice could not find her lost ring. Lost is the third form of lose. Ring is a noun. So which type of ring she is finding? She is finding her lost ring. So lost is a past participle which is here used as an adjective. Participle forms not always act as an adjective. They can also act as a noun. Now, we are not talking about past participle. We are just talking about the present participle. In the previous one, participle as an adjective, both ed form and ing form would be used as an adjective. But here, in the case of noun, we will always be using ing form. Another use of present participle is participle as a noun. Ing form, which is the present participle, it can also be used as a noun, but it has a particular name. What is the name of that particular noun? We called it gerund. What are gerunds? When ing forms are used as a noun in a sentence, not as an adjective, not as a progressive tense, not showing continuity, but as a noun, then that is called gerund. For example, swimming is a good exercise. If I ask you, what is a good exercise? Swimming. Noun is a part of speech which answers what of a question. So here in this sentence, which word is answering what of a question? Swimming is answering. What is a good exercise? Swimming is a good exercise. So here, swimming is called gerund because it has ing and it is used as a noun in a sentence. So, Swimming is a gerund. I love painting. Painting. What do you love? I love painting. Here paint plus ing working as a present participle, and here it is used as a noun. What do you love? Again it answers what of a question. So definitely this would be called a gerund. This is enough for today's dear students. Inshallah next week we'll carry on the topic